viral diseases in plants. Viral diseases in plants. Virus cause disease not only in plants, animal and human beings also. In plant, the viral diseases are systemic. Viral diseases in plants are systemic diseases. What are systemic diseases? If all parts of plant body affected, that is called systemic disease. So, virus cause symptom or affect all parts of plant body. All parts of plant body affected. So, viral disease in plants are systemic. The symptoms mainly appear in leaves. Viral disease symptoms mainly appeared in leaves. Some of the symptoms. Chlorosis, mosaic, malformation, vein clearing, vein banding, ring spots, breaking of flowers. Chlorosis, that is loss of chlorophyll, loss of chlorophyll. Now the leaf, in the leaf, chlorophyll, keratins, xanthophyll that are present in the chloroplast. When chlorophyll it lose, the leaves turn into either yellow or white in color. Loss of chlorophyll called chlorosis. Example, peach. Yellowing diseases. Peach yellowing disease, loss of chlorophyll. Mosaic, isolated patches. In some regions, chlorosis occurs. Not complete leaf. Some regions, chlorosis that occurs. Example, tobacco mosaic disease. Tobacco mosaic disease. Malformation. Some parts they show excessive growth, abnormal growth, complete plant or plant parts. Example, swollen. Shoot of cocoa. Swollen shoot of cocoa. That means stem that bulges in large size. Vein clearing. Vein clearing. Along the veins. Only on the either side of the veins, chlorosis occurs, and the remaining leaf is normal green color. Vein clearing. Chlorosis occurs along the veins. Remaining lamina is in green color. Example, bindi. Vein clearing. Vein banding, quite opposite. Along the veins, green color, remaining lamina that become the white. Chlorosis occurs complete lamina except in the vein region. Vein regions are green in color and the remaining lamina becomes white. Vein banding, that is called vein banding, citrus vein banding. Breaking of flowers. Next one, that is the breaking of flowers. Tulip. Flowers tulip. They are more attractive. Liliaceae members, Homochlamydius, all perion are the same color, same size, they are more attractive. When affected by virus, in some regions color disappears and in some regions black scars appear. Actually, any organism that affected by virus or cropland affected by virus, yield decreases, quality decreases, and economical value also decreases. But in case of the tulip, because of the loss of color in some areas and the presence of the black scars, the flowers looks like more beautiful and economically they are more valued. So breaking of flowers, example tulip. Tulip breaking. So these are some of the diseases caused by the viruses in plants. But almost all these symptoms appeared in leaves. Next, viral diseases in human beings. Viral diseases in human beings. Ring spots. Next one, ring spots. Here, on the lamina, ring-like spots appear. So large ring-like spots in that chlorosis observed. Tomato ring spots. Large ring size circles or the chlorosis appear, called ring spots. Example, tomato ring spots.